Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, Kira's there. Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
No, not bad. You're good. I wish we're just going to finish up. How are you doing?
I'm so confused. How are you?
Theo, this is my auntie Mona.
Oh, hi, Mona. Oh, sorry.
Please say
Hi,
hello as
Mona.
well.
Hi,
So
hi,
we
guys.
were, Afia's my friend, and we did a panel yesterday.
Yesterday
for Channel 4 and Getty Images. We did on reflective advertising. Representation in advertising. Yeah, we did it yesterday. We did it yesterday as well. Yeah. The massive thing that's come up now, like we had this one of many panels talking about everything from content creation to behind the camera, between all the different levels of it. And there's lots of people who are saying they've seen it, and now they've seen it, and now there's a space to actually to change, to make changes and make things as well, and do all that as well. So yeah, we did that yesterday, and now get some more pictures as well.
I know, it's good fun.
Hello, my name's Callie or Kalista. I was born on sometime, and I like to do horse riding and things.
And I like to be a pain.
Well, she can say something about you afterwards, don't worry.
Hi, my name is Callie. I'm with
Who've never lived in America but sound American. Oh yeah, here we go.
Do you know that face she gave me? That's all the face we get. If you interact with someone, you're like, do you like their food as well?
Who's this? Oh, okay, of course I know this. I've sent you, so I've sent you, I'll show you. Okay, let's put that one on. Yes, there we go. There we go.
Finding the next one.
Down, hold that light. Just come down a bit. There we go, that's much on. Cool. Ready? You know, don't you?
I know.
Yeah. You know. So,
wait, still tell me anyways.
So, hello, my name is.
Yeah.
I was born on.
Okay, and then
I'm with I am, and then.
Oh my gosh,
I'm with I am. So it's I am with I am.
Yeah.
It's going to be super confusing. So when I got this, then that means when we flip it.
Will I am.
There we go. Oh, let's take that over. Ready?
Hello, my name is Athea.
Hi, guys. It's been a minute, but I'm back vlogging again. Just little snippets here and there that I collect when there's stuff happening. So I'm about to head out with the family to Brighton. It's very hot today. I'm told this is like the last day of our hot summer. The last day of our hot summer in London, in the UK. It's 22 degrees at the moment. It will go up to 26. So yeah, come with us to Brighton. We didn't make it to Brighton because it was we didn't have time, and it was going to take us longer to get to Brighton than it is here. So we're on Southend-on-Sea. So we just got here. We're just getting a ticket, a parking pay and display. I am so tired. I was sleeping on the way here. And I'm just looking forward to going to just sit down by the beach and eat something. What thing it is? I'm not in either. It's only one question. That muffin was really good. For the buffet. Very
Yeah, I know, but so it's like it's real.
What you would have been joking about?
No, because sometimes you do it, sometimes you don't.
Oh yeah. I haven't like. I said bag, a bag. No, a human being.
I didn't even speak.
It's better than the bag.
Come out so loud.
When you're ready for this first,
Which one? The pod or the neck? Oh, that's a lot. Like, why? Why though? This is like all you would ever need for how many days? It will evaporate soon. Guys, this I should have thrown some away. It's not drying. What's happening? Why are you laughing? Yeah, it's not drying. Weezy just gave me so much. It's not drying.
But it will dry. Just do this.
No, I need to wipe it. Just bought 2 chips to share for the table. Because I don't even like chips that much. And no one is making this. You're looking very lovely.
nothing. Just had a cracking. Can we get any closer? Just red jumper. Matches the trainers.
Yeah.
Black swell.
Yeah.
Black crab.
Because I didn't catch it first time around.
Right, so today I have with me my lovely blue denim jacket.
Yeah.
I have this white t-shirt.
Yes.
Polka dot wrap
Shorts. Yes.
fishnet. I've put my suede shoes
Bag. You look wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. It's cold.
back to 2017 Ghana time. It was 2017 December to 2018 January, my sister. Hey! We try a better.
Sisters, Ebusia Homan is an make an automatic car.
Way automatic.
I know, I mean, car automatic that.
Automatic.
This
And yeah, Ebusia for my
My
patrol.
brake is in the middle.
Obian Katanani. Yeah,
Bianca today, already, one I won't buy my.
Well, Bob, Uncle Pompa, no one's right.
Get a red patrol for you could do fee as some dream.
Amen.
And yeah, that's all I'll say. No, mommy who can't as it.
Yeah, unto can here. I do want to say, Jesus, take the wheel.
Yes.
Amen.
Take the wheel. Amen.
Amen.
Literally, I can't believe that in the pen I made all my car automatic the first time.
One more.
How's the mirrors, okay?
It's your seat. You're adjusted.
My seat feels good. I need to adjust that mirror.
Okay.
Do you know? Have you seen the picture of Queen Elizabeth in the Range Rover? Yeah. This is then you.
I don't like
the scarf.
Queen Lizzie, yeah, with the scarf.
Hello, Lizzie.
Actually, let me just tie it. Let me make it tighter for when it gets quite windy, right?
Why, you plan on opening the window?
Probably not.
So why are you making it tighter?
I think so. Yeah. Oh my darling.
Proceed to the route.
After the silver car.
Turn left onto Burdett Road, then turn right onto Beresford Road.